Oh yeah, I gotta get right. Y'all know what it is. Sperry Topsiders on, you know. Bow shoe talk. You niggas ain't ready for that, yeah? Go gang. Woo! Yeah. This is that chubby, you got the beat going super brazy. Come from where it's problems with the parents, they shoot the baby. Funny how I came in niggas straight, now I'm super wavy. Always had the faith, I do it big, now I'm super gravy. Never ran game on no hoes, I just walk in the coochie. Holla at your Ricky, couple shots and she talking to Lucy. I just told her go and roll a blunt, we could talk in the hoopty. She know the boy extra G like she talking to Gucci. All of this gold on me, no niggas will fold on me. Last nigga told me I was nice when it told on me. All about the real, I know the truth will expose, homie. Niggas want me dead cause all they bitches and shows on me. Ain't no more acting this time, I'm going back to my grind. Hard to fill the shoes, I swear I'm feeling like Shaq in his prime. We doing super, I got a crew that's recouping the prize. People think I'm broke, I'm looking like that's a super disguise. Living like a shooter or a hooper that's super deprived. This is how I sound when niggas down and you shoot for the sky. Go for the gusto, whole squad aiming for the top, we on our nutso. And this is for the girl to act calm, but she a nut though. Always got an attitude, but really wanna fuck though. All facts, yeah. If she thinks she look bomb with the bag, I told her she don't got a shot. She on the Bron with the Cavs. These niggas pay me right, then I might rap with the spaz flow. Always gonna be nigga like Mike Jack with the afro. Niggas show me love, but I knew they hate to be bigger. They hate to see me black, I swear it don't pay to be nigga, baby. She on me in front, and she say the homie is nothing. Say she don't really do this and see the rollie we fucking. That's how we do for real. I brought the crew in for real. Shout out the Ghost, that's how I sound. They put you in the wheel, nigga gone.